Hi everyone, this is topic number 19, use permutations with probability. These questions have been taken from the MOE book, so credit goes to them. Now, first question we have about magnets. Harry bought some letter magnets that he can arrange to form words on his fridge. So let me write down these letters in a line so we can understand this better. LAE, KAB, and that's how you will have to do it in your exam so you can understand. TBSL, TBSL. Let's just count how many total letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is equal what? N is equal 10. Total number of letters 10. Now you have to make word basketball from these letters. So the favorable outcome to make word basketball from these letters is only one. Why? Because the spelling for basketball is this, and that will not change. So if you change place of, if you take, let's say, this T here, then the spelling will change, and that is not the favorable case. So to make any word out of, out of these words, to make this word basketball, the favorable outcome will be only one. Okay, so that's clear. Now what we have to do, you have to use permutation. It is very clear, it is written here. You have to use permutation and you have to find the probability. So find the probability. What is the formula for probability? The probability is equal favorable divide total number of ways to arrange these letters. Now how we will find the total number of ways? So the total number of ways to arrange these letters will be, first count how many letters. You have 10 letters, so 10 factorial. You have 10 letters, you can arrange them in 10 factorial ways. If you had 9 letters, 9 factorial. If you had 8 letters, 8 factorial. If you have 7 letters, 7 factorial, in that way. Now if there is no repetition, that's it, you have to do nothing. Total will be factorial 10. But in this question there is repetition. And what do I mean by repetition? That a letter is multiple times. So let's count L. L is 1 and 2 times. So 2 factorial. So when any letter is repeated, you divide and you divide the total number of ways. Okay, so 10 factorial divide 2 factorial. Now multiply. Check A. 1, 2. Okay, so 2 factorial 2 times is A repeated. E, is there any other E? No. K, is there any other K? No. B, so 2 times B, so multiply 2 factorial. And anything else? T and S, no repeated. So that's how you will have to find. So let's just solve using the calculator now. So let me open the calculator. So what you have to do is you have to do factorial 10 divide. So let me show you how to do it from the beginning. Okay, so yeah, let me just clear this area so you can see clearly. Okay, this is, yep. Now let's do this. So how will you use the calculator? First you will use this sign. Now write 10 shift, and where is the factorial? Here, this one, because factorial x. So 10 factorial, go below, press this down. Now 2, same process, shift factorial, multiply, again same, 2 factorial, multiply 2 factorial. So what are we getting? We are getting 453,600. So let me write, total number of ways are 453,600. After solving this in the calculator, we got total number of ways are 400k 53,600 possible ways. Now let's just find the probability. Now the favorable condition was 1, so probability is equal favorable divide total. Favorable 1, total 453,600. So that's how you will find the probability. if you have some letters scrambled and you may have to make one word. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Now the next question you have, what is the probability that a PO box number randomly generated from among the digit 3 7 3 9 5 7 2 3? I haven't changed anything, I just wrote down these numbers. Okay, now you have to form a number 39372. So what is the favorable condition? 1. Why? Because this number is fixed, I cannot change anything in this number, so my favorable outcome is 1. Now I need to find the probability. So probability formula is favorable conditions over total number of ways or total number of outcomes. So favorable is 1, I need to find the total. So let me solve total here. And how we will use in the case of permutation for total? First count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many numbers? 8 numbers. So 8 factorial. So if these are 8 different numbers, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So factorial 8, that's it. You don't have to do anything because there is no repetition. But in this in these numbers there are repeated numbers. So divide. What are the repeated numbers? 3 3 and 3. 3 is repeated 3 times. So 3 factorial, multiply. What about 7? 7 is also repeated 2 times. So 2 factorial, multiply. Is there anything else repeated? 9? No. 5? No. 2? No. So that's it. You don't have to do anything else. So solve this in the calculator now. And let's just do that. So this sign again. 8 shift factorial goes in the denominator. 3 factorial multiply with 2 factorial, right? So what are we getting? We are getting 3360. So the total number of ways you have 3360. 3360. So use this total number of ways here. Favorable was 1. Total number of ways is 3360. So your probability is 1 over 3360. That's how you will solve these questions. Okay, so that's it for this video. I don't want to make it long. So see you in the next one. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment box and I will be happy to help you. Okay, so see you later. See you in the next one.